Hey air signs, how's it going, my loves? This is Monica back from Mental Soul 78, and I wanted to first of all say thank you for everybody for being a part of the channel. And I want to let you guys know that I'm doing several free readings this month. So if you guys are interested, comment, like, and share, or subscribe. But let me know in the comments there if you guys would like a free reading, so I can put you in for the drawing. And I'm going to be contacting people on Saturday. Okay, so your first card. See what's going on. Quick check-in for September. Remember, this is a general reading. It's not going to resonate with everybody. Alright. Your card says, what am I looking for outside myself that is already within me? Are you looking for more guidance, confidence, peace, wisdom, love, or something else? When we search outside ourselves, we can become overwhelmed, frustrated, and never feel quite good enough. It's time to go inward to find everything you seek. All the answers you need lie within you. Today's soul action: breathe in your favorite essential oil, inhale deeply into your belly, drop your shoulders, and spend some time hanging out with your soul today. Ask for what you need and be ready for the answers. That's beautiful. Let's pull a positive affirmation now, and then we'll get into the tarot. For my air signs, please, Spirit. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We got the card Ambition. Oh, this is what the fire signs got. Ambition. May I offer all my deepest longings to love itself and invite a divine plan beyond the mind's imagining. Please use me for the highest good. Nice. Okay, my loves. Let's go ahead and jump in. These are already pre-shuffled, but I'm going to go ahead and shuffle some more. Ooh, we have the Emperor and the Empress. Some of you guys could be in a soulmate or a twin flame relationship, with these two being right here at the bottom. Let me see here. Quick check-in for September, please, for my air signs. What's going on with them? Alright, let's go ahead and start. My air signs, September, please. This one is September for the air signs. Oh, nice. So we have a person here with some sort of offer. The Page of Cups. Could be a surprise even. Ooh, a lot of water right off the bat. We got Queen of Cups here. This also can be mother and child. With the Sun card, huge on family. Nice. That's illumination, happiness, family, children, clarity. Great card so far. We have Justice in the upright. So things bouncing out. We've got, what else? The High Priestess in the upright. Listen to your intuition. That's 3 major arcana out of 5 cards. Whoops. We have the, whoops. 3 of Cups. I'm going to take it in the upright. Go sideways. We have the World in the upright. That's a wrap. There's the end of a cycle. This is also about celebrating yourself and your achievement and your accomplishments. Whoops. Our signs, please. Alright, so you guys are dealing with the Cancer. We have the Chariot in reverse. We have Queen of Pentacles in the upright. So, some of you should be dealing with the Libra, or this could be you. So let me see here. Let me see what we got. This one I'll put down here. You guys actually have 5 major arcanas out of 4, 7, 9 cards. So really what's going on is part of destiny. It's your fate. It's not in your hands anymore. This is in the hands of the universe. And I feel like this is a huge blessing that's coming your way, air signs. Okay. I feel like I feel really strongly here. There is a sense of somebody that's going to be getting unexpected news that they're going to be a grandparent, that their child is having a child. That's going to be a cause for a lot of celebration, a lot of excitement, a lot of happiness. The High Priestess is also about a really strong feminine energy, right? She's the divine feminine. It's beautiful. This is Venus here being birthed, right? A new cycle, something brand new, a baby. The Three of Cups here is a celebration, a happiness, joy. It could be a celebration and an announcement, a baby shower, a wedding, an engagement, something like that. So you guys are going to be getting some kind of really good news in the month of September about somebody that is pregnant, having a child. You could be becoming pregnant yourself or becoming a grandparent. This is really a beautiful reading about the celebration of life. Really incredible. At the bottom of the deck, we did have the Chariot in reverse and the Queen of Pentacles. This could simply mean, again, I'm getting child and parent here, or motherhood, big time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and most of your cards are about motherhood, okay? What I'm seeing here, and the Chariot is Cancer. Cancer is ruled by the moon. Again, mother. The Queen of Pentacles is typically a mother. What I'm getting is that with the bottom cards, this is something that's not that big of a deal, I feel. I feel like some of you guys are going to be having car trouble. Or, yeah, and you're going to be getting help with your mother getting your vehicle fixed. This is also, you know what? I'm picking up something else here. This is somebody celebrating and moving on, or trying to move on, but with the Chariot here in the reverse, they could be feeling stuck. There's some sort of delay with the Chariot card here being in the reverse. For some of you guys, this is going to be an unexpected pregnancy, or somebody didn't think that they could have a child, but they're going to become a mother. They're going to find themselves pregnant. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. We have Libra, we have Leo, we have Pisces, we have Cancer. Very strong here, nice. And we also have Virgo with the Queen of Pentacles. She could be Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, but those are the energies that I have. It looks like you guys have an incredible and amazing surprises for the month of September, to say the least. Congratulations, my loves. So I'm going to end this reading with the Heal Yourself card, and we'll see what you guys get. Beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations. Yeah, that's creation and life. That's beautiful. My air signs, please, Spirit, September. Oh, you guys had a wonderful reading. I'm so happy. Some of them have been rather difficult. So, we got the card Self-Sabotage, you guys. Let me go ahead and read this card and see what it's about. So this is just a personal healing card. This card is number 2. You used to be dealing with the Libra for sure. Okay, self-sabotage. Become conscious of how your inner saboteur functions. You're about to sabotage a big opportunity. Now's the time to stop procrastinating and cease focusing your energy on why you are unworthy of wonderful, enriching experiences. When you connect to the saboteur archetype, you begin to recognize all the ways you pass up interesting opportunities and relationships which could make you grow, learn, evolve, and become fulfilled. The saboteur is terrified of change and guards your heart from that which is meaningful to you. With this misguided belief that if you don't try, you can't fail, it forgets that if you don't escape from your comfort zone, you cannot succeed and experience the love and joy which would fulfill you. On the lighter side of Saboteur, can help you to connect your intuition and help you to listen to your deeper wisdom. It can assist you in deciphering a potentially dangerous situation from an exciting one. Action. Take a few deep breaths and become conscious of where in your body you feel like you're limiting yourself. Place your hands on that part of your body. Visualize your Saboteur archetype. It may look similar to this card or like a shadow aspect of you. Ask this part of yourself to show you how you miss out on or sabotage your relationships, career, money, health, and any other aspects of your life where you're not fulfilled. Become aware of your patterns. Make a commitment to yourself to start focusing on your strengths rather than your weaknesses and welcome new experiences into your life. Wow. Interesting. Very strong, very powerful card, self-sabotage. Yeah, you might be creating blockages for yourself. And that card also resonates with what am I looking for outside of myself that is already within me. Right? Not looking outside of yourself, but looking within, because all the power, all the love, everything that you need and seek in the world is already inside of you. And you have some really beautiful things coming up. Beautiful, wonderful surprises. There's life, there's love, there's justice, there's motherhood, grandmotherhood, grandparenthood, grandfatherhood, what have you, fatherhood, right? Very beautiful reading. I'm so excited for you guys. Very, very excited. All right, my loves, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Let me know how this reading resonates with you for the month of September, your quick check-in. And don't forget to let me know if you guys want a free reading so I can put you in the drawing. Good night, guys.